Hey, this is Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn sales navigator, strategist, trainer, and coach. And I'm out and about on vacation, but I got to ask this question. I thought I'd answer it for you. What are LinkedIn learning paths, and how do I pick my own? So let's talk about that. But before we do, hit that subscribe and notify button because I create all of this content specifically for you. So yes, there are thousands and thousands, if not more, of courses in LinkedIn Learning. But a learning path is basically where LinkedIn put these courses together in a journey based on where you want to go for your career or your professional development or in the role you're in today and you're just trying to grow in that. So the way you find learning paths is you first make a decision. What is the journey you want to be on? And you don't necessarily do that in LinkedIn Learning. You may do that with a career coach. You may do that with a business coach or a business mentor or a life coach or someone that can help you really dig deep into what is it you're interested in. And then you can go look for learning paths on LinkedIn relevant to that journey. So let's come up with an example. Let's say the example you want to be is you want to be a graphic designer. So you do graphic design and you just search for that. And then you just go, and I happen to be here already, go to learning paths and check this out. There's 23 different learning paths for graphic designer. But maybe you decide what you want to be is you want to be an executive director. And so you do a search for executive director, and there happens to be none, but maybe you do a search for project manager. And now under learning paths, there's 27 results for project manager learning paths. Now again, this is a compilation of courses. This one happens to be 11 hours long that can help you grow as a project manager, grow as a graphic designer, grow as a sales leadership. Maybe I want to be a customer service. And look, learning paths, there's 10 learning paths specific to customer service. 5 hours here, 4.5 hours there, 7 hours there, et cetera, et cetera. Again, you make a decision what is the professional development you want outside of LinkedIn Learning based on your goals, your aspirations, your desires, your current role, your current industry, et cetera, et cetera. Then you come to LinkedIn Learning and you do a search for those keywords. Make sure you choose and look in the type learning paths, and then you'll discover the learning path that is right for you at this moment. I'm Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you in your career journey.